Snow Canyon State Park is located in Ivins, Utah. That's in the southwestern part of the state, about a 15-minute drive north of St. George. For Utah residents, this park has a $15 per vehicle day use fee, $10 if you're 65 and over, and $3 if you're on foot or bike. And if you're a non-resident like us, it was $20 per vehicle. This 7,400-acre state park was established in 1958, and it was originally called Dixie State Park, and later was named Snow Canyon after Lorenzo and Erastus Snow. They were brothers, and they were prominent in pioneering Utah, and this park opened to the public in 1962. Located in the Red Cliffs Desert Reserve, this park features canyons, a cave, an arch, hiking trails. It has sand dunes, petrified sand dunes, pioneer names, petroglyphs, and so much more. I found this really cool map at visitsnowcanyon.com, and it has all the highlights of this park. And our first stop was the sand dunes. Who doesn't love playing in the sand, especially with these beautiful Red Cliff Mountain views? And if you like these informative travel videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. James! Next stop was Jenny's Canyon. It's just a short little less than half mile out and back hike to view this slot canyon. You can definitely tell you are near a volcano. There is lava flow rocks everywhere. As far as Jenny's Canyon goes.
No, that's as far.
The little hole? Okay, that's as far. No one's getting in there. Yep, we made it to the end. After enjoying our nice picnic lunch, we headed over to the visitor center, where also is the campground is located right next to it. It has 36 campsites. About half of them have electric and water hookup, and there are also tent campsites and hike-in and group campsites. Did you know that the Roadrunner can run up to 20 miles an hour and only fly when necessary? To view the pioneer names, it's just a short walk to the actual cliff that you have to climb up and rock scramble up to see. So you might want to bring your binoculars in case you don't want to rock scramble up to see the names. And even when you do climb up this hill to view the names, it's still, I had to use my zoom camera just to see them because we didn't get right on top of them because it was pretty steep up there.
There's somebody named Albert Grant.
And we got Jacob Gobbler.
This is same Gobbler.
There's a Jacob Gobbler too.
Oh.
August 3rd, 1887. Then there's a Harmon Gobbler. March 4th, 1861. Sam Whitwer. Sam Gobbler. What is that?
And how can
1919. So Sam Gobbler came up after his dad or something because there's some. Yeah, where are they? Right there. Yeah, it's pretty steep. We don't feel really comfortable getting close to it. We still gotta get down from here.
Oh.
This other cave over here.
The views were spectacular from up there though. So if you get a chance to go up there to see the pioneer names, you should try. And in case you didn't know, this is a rock climbing park. You can rock climb inside this park. We saw some people doing it as we were doing the Pioneer Names Trail. And the last thing we did was the Tortoise Walk. It's a short, easy trail about 1/3 of a mile out and back where you can learn about the Mojave Desert Tortoise, which is an endangered species of tortoise that live in dry, arid desert regions, and in particular in this part of southwestern Utah, which was neat learning all about it. And at the end of the trail, it's a 2-ton tortoise carved out of granite. So it's really just a neat little trail. Thank you so much for watching. If you're ever in the southwestern Utah area, you should check out Snow Canyon State Park. And until next time, adventures are out there. Are you? Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.